This not so talked about much money tactic with your investments that can work, and that I feel as a wealth advisor and a fiduciary over all these years is so uneducated and so much lacking for information for people. What I'm referring to are certain types of fixed indexed annuities, or FIA, that you can have in an IRA, in a Roth IRA, or in a non-qualified brokerage account as an example. Now, the fixed index annuities, there's so many types out there, but overall or in general, it can guarantee your principal protection from loss. You can lock in any gains that might occur every 12 months from future loss, and it can safeguard that peace of mind of knowing that a portion of your money is always safe in there. Now, of course, there's pros and cons because there's typically terms, kind of like a CD. You could have a 5-year, a 7-year, or a 10-year term on that annuity, but you could still withdraw a certain portion of the money out every year depending on the company out there. So at the very least, I would become educated on fixed index annuities. At the very least, if you want mindfulness, you want peace of mind, you want some safeties, protections, and guarantees in your portfolio, then a fixed index annuity might be one great way, in addition to your stocks, your ETFs, your mutual funds, and your bonds, as a tactical piece in your overall investment portfolio and your plan.